Flexacoin Price Prediction 2021, 2025, 2030, FXC Price Forecast. Flexacoin Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Flexacoin is $0.004 and FXC is currently ranked number 67 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Flexacoin is 28,305,870,833 with a market cap of $120,419,051. With an increase in its trading volume and market cap, the Flexacoin's price has shown a good increase of 8.06% in the last 24 hours. From the last 7 days, the FXC was in good upward trend and increased by 59.82%. Flexacoin has shown very strong potential lately, and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. Within the last 1 month, the price of FXC decreased by -53.569%, eliminating a whopping average sum of $0.005 from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investment. The 90 days price change is around -70.15% and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $0.014 to maximum average price of $0.014 in the past 90 days. Flexacoin is down by -74.80% with the maximum average price of the coin was around $0.016 and the minimum average price of was around $0.016 in past 4 months. Flexacoin Price Prediction 2021. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of FXC, in 2021 the price of Flexacoin is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.004. The FXC price can reach a maximum level of $0.005 with the average trading price of $0.005. Flexacoin Price Prediction 2022. The price of Flexacoin is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.007 in 2022. The Flexacoin price can reach a maximum level of $0.008 with the average price of $0.007 throughout 2022. FXC Price Forecast for 2023 to 2024. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2023 the price of Flexacoin is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.010. The FXC price can reach a maximum level of $0.012 with the average trading price of $0.010. The price of one Flexacoin is expected to reach at a minimum level of $0.014 in 2024. The FXC price can reach a maximum level of $0.017 with the average price of $0.014 throughout 2024. Flexacoin Price Prediction 2025. Flexacoin price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.020 in 2025. As per our findings, the FXC price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.024 with the average forecast price of $0.021. Flexacoin Price Prediction 2026. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of FXC, in 2026 the price of Flexacoin is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of $0.029. The Flexacoin price value can reach a maximum of $0.034 with the average trading value of $0.030 in USD. Flexacoin, FXC, Price Prediction 2027. The price of Flexacoin is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.044 in 2027. The Flexacoin price could reach a maximum value of $0.049 with the average trading price of $0.045 throughout 2027. Flexacoin Price Prediction / Forecast 2028. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2028 the price of Flexacoin is expected to reach at a minimum price value of $0.061. The FXC price can reach a maximum price value of $0.075 with the average value of $0.063. Flexacoin, FXC, Price Prediction 2029. The price of Flexacoin is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.081 in 2029. The Flexacoin price could reach a maximum value of 10 cents with the average trading price of $0.085 throughout 2029. Flexacoin Price Prediction 2030. Flexacoin price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of 13 cents in 2030. As per our findings, the FXC price could reach a maximum possible level of 14 cents with the average forecast price of 13 cents.